Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a loan with Chime. First, set up a Chime checking account and start receiving qualifying direct deposit ACH from your employer, gig platform or benefits payer. After that, at least one direction deposit you may qualify to SpotMe, which allows fee-free overdrafts up to $200 on debit card purchases and ATM withdrawals. For SpotMe, consistently receive at least $200 per month. For instant loans, need $500 per month in direct deposits for 6 consecutive months. SpotMe terms are visible in the Chime app. You choose to overdraft and repay with your next deposit, no interest or mandatory fees. Chime randomly pre-approve eligible members based on age, state, deposit history, no open instant loans, etc. You'll get an in-app alert when available. Once offered, accept the instant loan min $100 up to $500 and funds are deposited immediately into your account. You repay over 3 months in fixed installments, e.g. $35 per month per $100 borrowed. Include a flat $5 fee per $100, no late fees, no compound interest. You can set up autopay up to 10% of inflows. One-time payments are reported to create barrage and can boost your score. After full payment, wait 30 days before your account becomes eligible again for another instant loan. Offers aren't guaranteed and may vary or disappear. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.